Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this double color pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigans, gents sweaters, baby blankets, shawls, jackets. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. I have used this border for ladies pattern. If you want for gents pattern, you can use as your requirement. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern, and this is only 4 rows pattern. For demonstration I have taken 15 stitches and this is our first row of color B. Our repeat pattern begins from here. Knit first 3 stitches and then with yarn in back slip 1 stitch, and then second repeat again knit 3 stitches and then yarn in back and slip 1 stitch, and then third repeat knit 3 stitches, yarn in back slip 1 stitch, and then last 3 stitches, knit 3 stitches. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side, repeat pattern, knit 3 stitches and then yarn in front like this, and then slip 1 stitch, again yarn in back. Now second repeat, knit 3 stitches, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch. Now third repeat, yarn in back and knit 3 stitches, again yarn in front, slip 1 stitch, yarn in back, and now last 3 stitches, knit all 3 stitches. Here we have completed our second row. Now third row from right side with color A, knit 1 stitch with color A and then repeat pattern, yarn in back and slip 1 stitch and then knit 3 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, yarn in back, slip 1 stitch and then knit 3 stitches. Now third repeat, slip 1 stitch with yarn in back and then knit 3 stitches. Now last 2 stitches, yarn in back and slip 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row from wrong side with color A. Knit 1 stitch and then repeat pattern, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch and then yarn in back and knit 3 stitches. Now next repeat, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch and then yarn in back and knit 3 stitches. Again next repeat, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch, yarn in back and then knit 3 stitches. Now last 2 stitches, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch and then yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our fourth row and also last row of our pattern. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. If you like my video then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.